भारताचे परराष्ट्र व्यवहार मंत्रालयाक अदानी कंपनीच्या व्यवसायाची उदरगत करपी मंत्रालय जाला असो सणसणीत आरोप काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आणि एनालिटिकल डेटा विभागाचे अध्यक्ष प्रवीण चक्रवर्ती हांणी केला। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आणि व्यावसायिक गौतम अदानी यांच्या इश्टागती खातीर देशांतल्या व्यावसायिक मळाक धक्को बसला। हेर व्यावसायिक तशेंच फॉरेन इन्व्हेस्टरांक लागून भारतांत गुंतवणूक करपाक येनात असो आरोप चक्रवर्ती हांणी पणजेत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेत केला।
Biggest coal importer, biggest coal miner, biggest electricity transmitter, biggest electricity distributor, biggest electricity generator, biggest airport operator, biggest distributor of apples, biggest distributor of cooking oil, big player in data storage, big player in defense equipment and national security, second biggest producer of cement, 18 road projects, all in the last 8 years. How? Modi dosti. Prime Minister Modi's foreign policy is nothing but Mr. Adani's foreign expansion business policy. Why do I say this? Prime Minister goes to Japan, Mr. Adani gets a freight contract. Prime Minister Modi goes to Bangladesh, Adani gets a power contract. Modi goes to Israel, Adani gets a port there. Modi goes to Sweden, Adani gets a defense contract in Sweden. India's Ministry of External Affairs has become Adani Group's Department of International Business Development.